Hi, this is Deb Sokovic with Dual Dot Media. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D rainbow in Photoshop. Here's our finished product. Simple but easy. We're going to start with a new palette at 450 by 300 on a black and white. And we're going to move it in the center. We're going to make our background gray. And I'm going to use a pre-made shape. Basically because I don't have a real steady hand to make that rainbow shape. And I'm just going to flip it and adjust it to get it to where I want it to be. So now, to take it off the black, we're going to go to render in the filter set, or stylize, I apologize, and we're going to emboss. We're going to adjust the emboss a bit just to get it to the right place. Right there we used Control and Alt. Holding that and holding the down arrow on the keyboard, we multiplied the layer 3 extra times. And now I'm just going to move the layers and basically make a rainbow. At this point, we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to start colorizing the rainbow. We're going to do that by going out to the image, adjustments, and we're going to go to hue and saturation. We're going to click colorize and we're going to use saturation, and we're going to up the hue, down the lightness, and just basically change it to where we need it to be. And that's it.